All right, this is going to be Out on the Tiles by Led Zeppelin from Led Zeppelin 3. We're going to start out with these octaves. Okay, so we have the 3 and the 5. These are G notes. 3 on the E string, 5 on the D string. We go 1 E and a, 2 E and a, and then we go to the 2nd fret, 2 and 4, F sharp, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, and then we have the A power chord to bending that 3, that G note on the E string. We're going to do that 3 times, and then we get in on the verse. So that's an F sharp major triad. We got 2 on the big string, and then 1 and 4 on the A string, to the octave of that 2, the other F sharp, 4th fret D string. So 2, and then 1, 4, and then 4. Hold that one a little bit, so it's... And then we're going to have... Okay, so that was a little pickup note. This would be like an upstroke on that 1st fret of the D string. It's the last like 16th note of that measure. It's like it's sort of be like 4 E and then you have so 2 1 2 1 2 1 on the D, and then 4 to open on the A, and then 2 0 2 0 2 3 2 0 is that measure. So we got 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and okay, so back to that triad thing. Okay, so let's go from the first triad, the verse. 3 4 3 4. So this last one here, we got 4 2 4 2 4 2 4 2 open 4, and then 5 4 5 4 5 4 5 2 0 2 0 2 on the power chords. F sharp power chord to E power chord and back. So one more time this last one. Okay, so there's a measure of 7/8, so it chops off a little bit of a beat, chops off half of a beat to go right into another verse. So when it's 2 verses backed up together, it ends with this 2 0 2 0 2, right? Right back into it, right in there. Sometimes you'll go 2 0 2 0 2, and it'll get a whole beat, and that's when we go into the chorus. So going into another verse, you only have a half beat there. So next verse. And see, I'm doing a hammer on and a pull off there. So that one gets the whole beat, and then we're going to go. Okay, so we have down, up on the E, and then E power chords, 7 and 9 and 9. So we got, and then we have A notes to an A chord. So we do 1 E, and then we do 2 A's, and then we go back to 2 E's, and then we have 2 A's, and then we get the... We do that 4 times this time. So we got A, E, E, A, back to the same thing. 1 E, 2 A's, 2 E's, 2 A's, And after the 2 A's again, we have the 4 of those. That was that A to that G note with the bend there. And then we have these octaves again. And again. 3 of these. And that holds and gets ready for a new verse. So we got our verse, 3, 4. So that was the quick one back in. That's that other one where you hold for a whole beat, and then we're back into a chorus. 3, 4. The feel on that chorus is also a little bit like. So more of like a ba-bum, ba-bang, and even like a taking that note over to the other note. Okay, then we're back to those octaves. Three times. Now we have the outro. It's a little different. It's so it's ba-da-da-da-bam. That's a G power chord, 10, 12, 12, starting on the A string going down. So we're gonna have. So that was your E power chord, 7th fret, and we come up here to an A major and a G major. So that one goes 10 and then 7, 7, 10. So sometimes it just does da-da-da-da-dang, da-da-da-da-dang, and then does the other thing. And sometimes it does that thing like every time. So just kind of got to listen and figure out the order of everything there. So I'll keep going here. We got. Just so on and so forth. That's the end of Out on the Tiles by Led Zeppelin from Led Zeppelin 3. Hope you dug that. There'll be a tab with this. We'll talk to y'all soon.